Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the addition of two matrices in C. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the addition of two matrices in C. Now you see here there are two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. The value of matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to add these two matrices. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. So this program will demonstrating addition of two matrices in C. Now we'll see the program. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. So these two are called as a header files. These two are called as a header files. Now you see hash is called as a preprocessor directive. These hashes are called as a preprocessor directive. So we are going to hash include stdio. So what is this stdio? Standard input and output header file. In this program we are using printf, which is called as the output function, and scanf, which is called as a input function. So we are using printf, scanf in this program. That's why we used hash include stdio.h here. Okay, second one, what we have, hash include conio.h. What is the full form of this conio.h? Console, input, output and header file. So in this we are going to have different methods. So first one is called as a getch. So first one is called as a getch. Second one is called as a clr acr. Okay, so whenever we used printf and scanf, we used stdio. Whenever we used getch and clr, we can use conio.h. Now you see we are going to have void main. What is the purpose of this void main? The execution of the program will be started from the main. So how many number of lines you may write? You can write something like 100 number of lines, but the execution of the program will be started from main only. Now you see what is this void? Void indicates that no return type. Okay, so in the program you can observe there is nothing, the keyword called as a return. Okay, so here void main. Next one, int ij. These are called as a declaration of the variables I, j, r1, c1, r2, c2. Here a, b, c are called as a matrices. A, b, c are called as a matrices. Now you see printf, enter the number of rows and columns of matrix A, and scanf, we are going to read rows and columns. Okay, printf, enter the rows and columns of matrix B, and we are going to read. So now let us say we are going to enter the rows and columns are 2 by 2, and here we are going to enter the matrix rows and columns are 2 by 2. Remember, when the matrix addition is possible. Now you see here we have the matrix is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this matrix is called as a 2 by 2, and this matrix is also called as a 2 by 2. Okay, so remember, you see if R1 is equal to R2, C1 is equal to C2. So it indicates that when the number of rows in first matrix is equal to second matrix, when the number of columns in first matrix is equal to second matrix, then only the addition will be possible. Now you see, let me take one example, 1, 2. Okay, so in this the number of rows are 2 and columns are 1. Let me take one more. Suppose we see 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the number of rows and columns are 2 by 2. Now in this case the matrix addition is not possible, because the equal number of rows and columns must be first is equal to second. Number of rows is in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of columns in second matrix. That's why we mentioned in this code, this is called as a if R1 is equal to R2, C1 equal to C2. So we entered R1 value as 2, C1 value as 2. Next we entered R2 value as 2, C2 value as this is a 2. Now what is going to be happen? R1 is equal to R2, C1 equal to C2, and we have here AND. So what is the purpose of AND? When both statements are true, then only the following statements will be executed. Now you see printf, enter the elements of matrix A. So we are going to use two for loops. What is this? For I is equal to 0, I less than R1, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than C1, j plus plus. So we are going to read first matrix. Okay, suppose in the 2 by 2 matrix, we are going to have 2 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So let me explain this code here. So what is this one? I value is initially 0 is less than, what is the value of R1? R1 is 2 here. 0 is less than 2. Okay. So when the value 0 is less than 2, condition is true. 0 is less than 2, condition is true. Again, when the condition is true in the for loop, compiler goes to next for loop. So what is the value of this j? J is 0 is less than, what is the value of C1 in the given 2. Okay. So now what is going to be happen? I value is 0, j value is 0. So scanf percentage d address of a of 0 0. Suppose we entered, let us say the element is 1. Okay. So this address could be a of 0 as well as 0. Okay. So because of this code, so I is equal to 0, 0 less than 2, condition true, compiler comes here, 0 less than 2, then address of a of 0 0. Now what is going to be happen? We are going to increment the j will be 1. J will be 1. So when the value of j will be incremented by 1, 1 less than 2, condition true or false? Yes. When the value of j is incremented by 1, the condition is true. So when the condition is true, it is going to take the value of I is same, remains same, but j will be 1. This is a 0 and 1. Suppose I entered, this is called as a 2. Okay. So in the first element I entered 1, second element is 2. Now next one, what will be happened after completion of this one? Compiler goes again up. Here I will be incremented by 1. So here this is called as a first row and first column. Okay. It is the first row and second column. First row and second column. Now this part is called as what we have. This is a second row, first column. This is the second row and first column. So when the value of this is a second row and first column, it is going to take 1 0. Okay. So how this will become? Now after completion of 0 less than 2, 0 less than 2, 0 0 will be there. Okay. When j is incremented by 1, 1 is less than 2. Yes, condition is true. Now 0 1 will be there. Okay. Now after completion of this one, j will be incremented by 1. 2 less than 2, the condition is false. So when the condition is false, what is going to be happen? After completion of this condition is false, compiler goes to the value of I. Now I value will be incremented by 1. Now when the value of I is incremented by 1, the condition is 1 less than 2. Okay. So when the 1 less than 2, now what about this one? This part. So here when the condition is false, then what is going to be happen? Again j is remains same, which is called as a 0. Now what is going to be happen? 0 less than 2. The condition is true. When the condition is true, it is going to take the value of I is 1 and j is 0. This is called as a 1 and 0. Again what will be happen? Again here j will be incremented by 1. The value of this is 1 less than 2. So this is called as a 1 less than 2, condition is true. So I value is 1, okay, as well as j incremented by 1. Now let me take the value of this one is 3. So I am going to take 4 values. First value is 1, second value is 2, third value is let us say here third value is 3 and fourth value is 4. So finally we are going to have, after completion of this matrix A of 0 0, A of 0 1, A of 1 0, A of 1 1, this is called as a explanation for matrix A. Okay, now we are going to take matrix B. So similarly we are going to take the values of matrix B. So we are going, let us say the value of matrix B's are, let us say the values are 1 2 3 4. Okay, so similarly whatever the values we have, same code is there. Remember here R1 C1 because of matrix A, but when you see matrix B, we are going to have R2 and C2. Now you see here same R1 plus R2, then we have C1 as well as C2. So whatever the code, instead of A of 0 0, here B of 0 0 will come. Okay, so instead of this A of 0 1, B of 0 1 will come. So instead of A of 1 0, B of 1 0 will come. So instead of this one, B of 1 1 will come. So till now what we completed in this program, so first one is called as a reading the values of matrix A. Second one is called as a reading the matrix of B. Okay, so now what is going to be happen? This is called as A of 0 0. It is called as B of 0 0. A of 0 1, B of 0 1. A of 1 0, B of 1 0. A of 1 1, B of 1 1. Now what is going to be happened in this program? So finally we have two elements. First one is called as a is 1 2 3 4 plus B value is again 1 2 3 4. So total we have two matrices. So till now we have read the values of matrix A as well as matrix B. Now what is going to be happened? We are going to add the two values. First one is the A, second one is the B. Now what is going to be happened here? You see, after, so till now we completed matrix A, matrix B. Now we are going to add. So for I is equal to 0, I less than R1. So let us say the 0 here. The value of R1 is 2. Okay, the value of J is 2. Sorry, C1 is 2. Now what is going to be happened? C of 0 0. So we are going to find the value matrix of C. Okay, so this is A, it is B. Okay, so now what is going to be happened here? A of 0 0, B of 0 0. So we are going to add two values. First one is the matrix A and matrix B. Now what is going to be happened in this program? So you see A of 0 0. So 0 less than 2, condition true. 0 less than, condition true. Now here the answer for this C of 0 0 is, so we are going to find the value of C matrix. So we are going to add 1 plus 1 means A of 0 0 is 1, 2 is the B of 0 1. So we are going to add two elements, A of 0 0 and B of 0 0. When I value is less than 0 less than 2, condition is true. 0 less than 2, condition is true. Then C of 0 0 is equal to, yes, this part is called as C of 0 0. This part is called as C of 0 1, C of 1 0, C of 1 1. So now we are going to find out this value. C of 0 0 is equal to A of 0 0 plus B of 0 0. So A of 0 0 is 1, B of 0 0 is 1. Now you see, So 0 less than 2, 0 less than condition true. C of 0 0 is equal to A of 0 0 plus B of 0 0. C of 0 0, A of 0 0 value is 1, B of 0 0 value is 1. So it is going to add, this answer could be 2. Similarly, what is going to be happened in the next line? J will be incremented by 1. When the J will be incremented by 1, this is 1 less than 2. The condition is true. Now I is 0, J value is 1. Okay. Now this is a 0, 1. The 0, 1 value is 2. 0, 1 value is 2. So we are going to add 2 plus 2, which is called as 4. Okay. So finally we are going to have two more values. Now what is going to be happened here? Again J will be incremented by 1. 2 less than 2. The condition will be false. So when the condition will be false, again I will be incremented by 1. So when I will be incremented by 1, this is the 1 less than 2. Okay. I value is 1 here and J value is, again it will be started from starting. So 0 less than 2, the condition is true. Now the value of this I is 1, J is 0. So means 1 0, 1 0, 1 0. A of 1 0 is 3, B of 1 0 is 3. Then we are going to add 3 plus 3 is the 6. Now what is going to happen in place of B of 1 1? So here I value is 1. Again J will be incremented by 1, which is called as the 1 less than 2. The condition is true. So A of 1 1, B of 1 1. This is the 8. So this is called as C of 0 0. This is called as C of 0 0. It is the C of 0 1. It is the C of 1 0. It is the C of 1 1. So this is a way to find out the matrix addition. Now what is going to be happen? I am going to say printf addition of matrix A and B is. So we are going to take again same for loop. We are going to print the value of C of ij. Okay. So initially it will print the C of 0 0. Then J will be incremented by 1. C of 0 1. Then what is going to be happened here? It again J will be incremented by again 1. 2 less than 2. The condition is false. Again I will be incremented by 1. So it will print C of 1 0, C of 1 1. So important point, we must write here slash t as well as the slash n. When you mention slash t, so it will give the space between two elements. When you give the slash n, it is going to give the element print in the next line. So this is the overall about the addition of two matrices in C. So let me conclude this program. So in order to write addition of two matrices in C, we must take three matrices: matrix A, matrix B and matrix C. Now what is going to be happen? We are going to take the rows and columns for matrix A, matrix B. Now we are going to check whether number of rows in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix, number of columns in first matrix and number of columns in second matrix. So we are going to read the values of matrix A, we are going to read the matrix of mat B and we are going to perform addition. So finally we are going to print the value. Important point, suppose if the condition is false, means the number of rows in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix is not matched. Suppose let us say the A matrix is 1 2 3 4 and second one is the 1 2. Here the matrix addition is not possible because the number of rows in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix is also 2. But if you see, the number of columns in first matrix is equal to 1, 2, as well as first matrix in second matrix number of columns are 1. So this is same, but it is not same. So this case we are going to say, suppose if R1 equal to R2, C1 equal to C2, the condition is false, then we are going to print matrix addition is not possible. So this is a way to find out the matrix addition in C. So this is all about a program. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.